nyame adom bibia bɔkɔ na nso
nyame adom menso me ho eye pa afei yenhwe ayedwumadi a ne mpese ana subject ana topic ane me pese me ne mo ene yetiefo nyina so no yedwenjene ho na yehwe se ho nsam no nso no ebetimi akose na afei yenyabre ama etiefo nso no etimi abem ni nyina no eye proposal a FIFA ye kasa sisi so ediato member association anim se enka nyintum na so tituma sika eno so betimi apie mu no timi ediama member association na so no etimi ediabo ho ebra me part of proposal ben na me ka ho asem proposal no eye FIFA Forward enterprise aye twanitia eka no F.E for short eno eye proposal me ka say FIFA enso etimi edi ato table no so a say member association no so enhwe na endwenwene ho na proposal no ni ncheche mu nyina ne tenten ene ne tietie ena ne say FIFA se ne commercial no opese oton kakra minority stake at the outside investors na so no etimi di sika ne bewuam na sa sika na FIFA ebenya de afiri mu no omatimi edi ama member association. Now, according to the proposal, FIFA say member association ejituma FIFA sika omubenya no eye $4.2 billion. $4.2 billion. And then I say omujituma and ni sika sa eye minority stake na FIFA eton omu commercials ediama omo no omo so ebetimi enya na omo achediama eye members no enso eno enti eno aye proposal make say eno eda aye bama so a omo hwe enu sem pedin so no ebetimi ato so na omo adwene ho na wo hwe the structural detail na say na esitio also commercial right no aye broadcast sponsorship and after ticketing and then FIFA so or pone ho kakra enye ni na 20% no anya sa $4.2 billion no at the ama association members no now say nyame adom na sa proposal we member association no ejitumwa according to the proposal FIFA say per association be for example over Ghana Football Association say kobani say ejitumwa Ghana Football Association which is the GFA no ebenya $20 million and here the 2027-2030 say yakoya nima 2031 to 2034 ebe say increase akọ $22 million. Yes akoya nima 2035 to 2038 and also sikana be say arise every 22 million akọ 24 million na chese ade ne gitumwa sika put doso pro na member association so no so betimi enya na omo so no etimi ade abo omo ebra na sa proposal ebe to abontia na members ni bi asha say debi sa de FIFA ye no ade asembe bad ochina bi na emu bi eye UEFA na CONCACAF now ewom say UEFA ye kasa sisi omo ko emergency meeting na omo ko akwadwendwene no omo ahwe say omo ko for ana against na before meeting the baba so kra no omo din kan henti say wo mu raising tia on person meji sa de atum no eye say first of football yenton omo football yenton the moment obema enipa bi omunye into football aba eye football agudie nim no e kire say obema omo so nya influence ebedum baby because no de sika ba wajiri sika eto be ka to say okay FIFA ayi na nse kura mo world cup na mo boy 48 mo increase no because kana mi tu an doso se na bia men so no ada eyeball any mileage na men so metimi enya na menya memfa so no men so metimi enya eno na UEFA say omo pene ama the outside investors edo musika be wudom of football ma these are some of the influencer sankofu ebenya na afei ebe aba high calendar no eni ade ama bibia no enso akwakosenti before omo ko emergency meeting no kra no these are some of the issues UEFA and CONCACAF omo so asase omo areas ahonsam no eno no na before Josh mebom ho nam so no mode ma no atum aso say titu ye de ho say Ghana for ha enti ye interest in the adwene ho say Ghana Football Association panimfo say nyame ya adom na CAF nso yensu ehia na Europe e de kwa yenkwaji ntum adna ma yenkwaji ntum no eno ene en discussions ano pay people say nyina yensu enya ewo eye dwumadie no enso na before kra bebem no ma yentie eye FIFA president yewra eye Jean Infantino ebra ono nso no o chire eye the FIFA Forward enterprise proposal a omonso ede aba eye abonteno enso emu no.
FFE is actually a proposal, an offer. It's part of a democratic process, a consultation process, and above all, it is an opportunity, but not an obligation. And as I said, it kicks off the consultation process. If and only if it is approved by the majority of our 211 member associations and the FIFA Council, it would be a FIFA-owned and controlled subsidiary consolidating FIFA's commercial and event operations. It would simply commercialize and organize all FIFA-owned competitions, along with sponsorship, broadcast licensing, a new venture for the benefit of FIFA's 211 member associations.
Okay. Enti Yera Infantino no say ade na o ye ne se bi onyam fama no so ati ase. O ye dia ma de member association which is 211 no. Obi a benyam fa so say de member breakdown no. Ye say nyame ya adom na se dwumadie no the majority no etitum se sa proposal we yenyem fantum na FIFA enter minority stake and from the outside investors are Ghana yenkwa no yebenya ye $20 million and a day every proposal FIFA so no a day about Josh mama sha sem free from the Ghanaian perspective yenkwa ne say yenkwa jintum ana say the UEFA for no a consensus ado o mu kwemiti de ba o ma sha say football no nya koton de man the outside world the pet obenya influence afi na be high in calendar no minim baby apeso odi e sha say the fibia.
Yeah, Rich, I like the fact say ubisame about the various perspectives, especially the African perspective, you know, as well as the UEFA perspective, because share situation we ye pana, you realize that everybody is speaking from a certain angle. Rich, I think after the just ended World Cup aye boy, you know, so ushe nyama ekoso in terms of how people patronized the World Cup. Even though say na ticket prices was 3 year panani boarding, but still we got the stadiums to be full. The very first World Cup, expanded World Cup, 3 nations are hosting. We saw how very successful it was. We saw so many things that were introduced. Oshe cooling break na Daniel say commercialization bisa ye advert near the film.
And then Krakala Ancelotti abechi was it I don't know affected Brazil national team no.
And so everybody has an angle to the argument. Yeah. So what you say. But at the end of the day, you bought World Cup New Year no FIFA kotna say no, it looks like in terms of commercial viability there is a lot more we can do moving forward with a World Cup no in terms of sika ebenye frame na o she profiter FIFA on one can say declare say when you're in this particular World Cup historic and humongous it was 3 years pa. So FIFA are coming from a certain angle say if we have been successful at hosting this World Cup in its very first expanded format, you had to call 48 teams, 3 countries hosting here now. Then we need to do more in terms of commercialization. Okay, it is to say Gianni Infantino say he's bringing a proposal into Mountain you one kasa or enforce to be a council. He said it is a proposal. Now, good. What is the proposal? Or say or person or introduce the FIFA Forward enterprise to handle the commercial aspect of FIFA activities. Internal no licensing, commercialization, ticketing, broadcasting as well. But this entity now on be creating. He wants to give 20% of this company to a private equity investment firm. Senebeya private entity no. Nisika everybody FIFA Forward Enterprise. So the FIFA Forward Enterprise, the total valuation is about $20 billion. It is a private equity investment company no ebeto 20% of that $20 billion there. It will result into a 4.2 billion investment into a FIFA Forward Enterprise. So this is the framework of FIFA Forward Enterprise now. Gianni Infantino person introduce you ewo FIFA omo nkomodiemu or omo organization ni mu.
Okay.
Now Rich, the thing is that why are UEFA pushing back? Let me share something UEFA ho. UEFA for main concern through Alexander Sefrin or omo president no is that once you begin to introduce private equity investment into the game, you have crossed a certain line.
Women and influence.
No, there will be a certain influence on the game where those who have invested their monies, no. Obeka say, me the misika ko share company. Intino, niye awasa me nsumi ye misika enko kem. Na menya profit bebre efri mu no. Is what I will introduce for it to be done in the game. The reason why this is a very different conversation from a Africa perspective, Nene say, one of the things I here as African to improve our game is Sikasisia. We need heavy investment into our game. Into Rich, say Gianni Infantino say, Ujitumupe, there's an upfront money of 20 million.
That is 2027
to 2030 cycle. No, there's a pool of which every 211 member associations no obia binya $20 million there. Rich, you and I know that Ghana we need the money.
Yes,
here says it can for our development in football.
Imagine you 20 million.
Pitches,
training
grounds, coach football. In some way, they will have most of the times that they be eating Ghana. Your football is say yo, yes, can. We would have gotten at least ×2 of what we already receive. Rich, another thing, and they say, Gianni Infantino say, once you accept this, moving forward, there's another program I offer, FIFA Fast Forward program, and also will give every member association another $20 million into the Kabuma. That is approaching $40 million. Every member association. So this is the proposal, but UEFA and so ejina baby fufro, and their disappointment is not even stemming from this particular situation alone. The understanding is that Gianni Infantino ni post channel or the governing FIFA at this point now, he is being run, or everyone say he's colluding with a couple of people to run FIFA the way he on one kasan panel. Because on Komodini when they say a speculated venture capitalist private equity venture capitalist 20% stake in FIFA Forward Enterprise no reportedly
is it a Donald Trump
and Donald Trump Donald Trump his son-in-law it is Donald Trump neba Ivanka neba ba Ivanka
okay
Bema or Warren no aye friend Jared Kushner or he is one of the elders of that Thrive Capital. A company reportedly Omobabeji 20% stake in FIFA Forward Enterprise.
And as I say, Donald Trump in a relationship
with Gianni Infantino. The Alexander Sefrin Bufu Krane say during the World Cup that red card following Balogun Enyaye USA any Bosnia and Herzegovina boy you know. The way that red card was overturned, na ayade bakwa Alexander Sefrin ne bufu pa. For which reason he raised concerns, and secondly he boycotted the final. So that beef is already there, that reservation is already there, that anger is already there. UEFA Forward, they have made it very very clear. It as it stands now, no, it is to them UEFA no, they see it as something that say omojitu mupe. It means the soul of the game is being sold, because then you allow people who may not necessarily be football enthusiasts or emotional football no, but because of say within the Sikabesha company no, they will find a way to influence the game, and it will go against the way football must be run.
Especially with our football calendar, no? Because expansion near the Nibema date you hold my sisters Sanonia day and a bus ana Amayan calendar and affect
the influence will be there. Into investors because okay, into calendar way, if I say competitions may no air backlash. Yes, okay, you will feel because a Canadian shame.
Sure.
So if you have commercialized the game, that is the problem.
Yes, but no, say
so those conversations will be there, and obia bepese the interest no will be met. So this is the problem. But Rich, another thing now, before they don't want to accept this whole initiative, and they say there was a meeting before the FIFA World Cup final between Argentina and Spain. Gianni Infantino and the association presidents Omushiaye. There was no conversation of this whatsoever. Oman kan wasem biya. Intika opesen ke yejitu mudia. You would have started that conversation in that meeting. Oh, ebia, yakot nasi adwen ho.
There's a proposal.
There's a proposal be
to me do
good. In the interest of preserving the integrity of the game, in Kaukano, at least that would have sent a certain message to our member associations for say there's this interest, even though it has not been clearly written out. Gianni Infantino wamana clear. So because of how successful the World Cup has been, AB and I be say in the future. One can want them nothing at all. And after say all the FIFA Forward enterprise he has now given a deadline. Say all federations, all the 211 member associations no must accept before a certain date. After which, then it means that if it collapses, it collapses. If it doesn't, then they will move forward with the initiative, and what benefit you will get your share. As it stands now, Rich, CAF and Kasaye, into almost meeting to decide what they will do. UEFA said they be that, but the thing is that, Rich, now UEFA are saying that they have reservations about this. And if so be the case, there's a possibility say UEFA for boycott future World Cups. Can you imagine a World Cup without UEFA? It is not going to be possible, Rich.
Is it CONCACAF and AFC? Part of it.
So you look at FIFA, say sometimes no, there's no smoke without fire, Rich. And when there are reservations like this, sometimes you want to argue it from both sides. Meaning, Africa would want to get some of these investments. Because look at the development of the sports on the continent, Rich. It is nothing to write home about. And it means says Ghana, a country like Ghana, if we decide to utilize that money very well, there will be good development. But look at the other side, Rich. Saudi Arabia will host the World Cup in 2030. There was no competitive bidding process for that. Why is Saudi Arabia hosting? Look at how even in the time past, in Sema you're raising about FIFA and how they were running their sport. Ekoba says Blatamuni now resign here, and there was a turnover in FIFA where we thought that moving forward there will be a transparent process to maintain the integrity of the game. But fast forward, Akoya said Gianni Infantino, he wants to try and then push it down the necks with the introduction of money as an incentive. Ebanesa, Debiano say the discussion with Nima. It means whatever FIFA says, then you have to do it because they have presented money to you. But that cannot be the direction. And you know, if you ask me, Rich, it is difficult to decide. But Nyetieni say, I would have really expected Gianni Infantino to go and sit down with Alexander Seferin. Because even though you have some of the biggest blocks in your favor in CAF, no, you are sure that definitely because of the support for sports on the continent, they will always support you. Now, Gianni Infantino Bayern, one of the biggest blocks that have benefited from his administration, CAF. That support is always there. But if you don't get the support of UEFA knows 40 billion, but you need to be able to sit down with him and convince them. What is the process to start that FIFA Forward enterprise? And your Montana say they are the most influential of the whole blocks. The member associations, no. UEFA have the most influence. So sit down with them, meet with them, have a certain understanding with them. Then when you get that sorted out, you don't have a problem with
so Argentina say UEFA so feel so part your bro dia. I didn't say a proposal. It is also feel say near maybe or clearly you don't understand certain things. And only FIFA so continue say. Then near maybe or maybe after the explanation of the man here no. Most you okay with whatever most and sana later on whatever a concerns be about to be reason. Most to be reason.
UEFA their concerns are that the UEFA FIFA Forward enterprise now sending to China. There has been a build-up of integrity issues in FIFA.
Okay.
As I say no, baby akodu no, yard in same. And you know what they will do is that they will state vehemently say we will not agree with what you are doing, Gianni Infantino, because akwai say Jawa, they be an dia wo penu and awoye. And it doesn't look like any form of consensus building.
Okay.
And as a entrance ending is going to work. Because look at Folarin Balogun, I've given that as example.
And the FIFA say a independent body.
But it was an independent body.
That decision.
Very well. But the thing is that if a call could be placed to you to also get that thing to be done, and the next say next time no, there could be something else that could go against another member association, and you will find yourself complicit.
So Josh, in a nutshell, are you for or against?
Rich, to protect the integrity of football, to make sure that the game doesn't become a commercialized entity. I think this is not the direction to go.
Okay.
Sasikano, Eba, will benefit from it. It is good.
But I heard the consequences, no.
You cannot throw money at every problem and expect that it will be solved.
Okay.
And yes, it can solve a problem here.
Joshua Holitu and now Martin our FIFA Forward enterprise proposal FIFA so no at the Abba